Okay, hello YouTube. This is my ugly drum smoker, and it's the 55-gallon barrel drum with the two front, I'll try and get a better shot in here, with the two front draft pipes on them, with the valve open and close, so you can control how much air comes in, if you want it halfway, or if you want it all the way closed, or if you want it all the way open when you're starting it. Good U-bolt secures on them. The temperature gauge, I painted it the flat black high temperature heat paint. And this is the charcoal basket. And you need a really good charcoal basket if you're going to do overnight smokes. Not too sure if I'm putting the wheels on it yet to make it portable. Testing out the Cowboy Hardwood Lump Charcoal. And I will only do the charcoal chimney because I don't believe in putting fluid in there to get everything started. It's got the handles. I still have to do my lid, figure out how I'm doing my draft into the lid. And it's got a big cooking surface. So you got the 21.1 cooking surface on it. And yeah. Okay, over and out from the 2000 Talon Channel.